What's up, everybody? This is your buddy Repellent in Hawthorne, and this is a box. Not just any box. This is a dehumidifier, and it is heavy as holy heck. So I'm going to set this safely down, and I'm going to say thanks for watching my video. This is a Veremi brand dehumidifier. I'm an adult. This shipped from Plainsville, Indiana, and I am an adult. That's right. How do I spend my hard-earned paycheck? I buy stuff to help my house. I have a basement, and unfortunately, where I live, there is a natural water buildup in basements sometimes. And instead of letting our stuff that's in the basement get ruined, I decided to look on Amazon, look on the web, interwebs in general, and I found a really good deal. This actually had a $60 or $70 off coupon, and I couldn't pass it up. So this is a Veremi brand. It's actually built for more of like probably a warehouse type thing, but I said, you know what, YOLO. I bought the warranty. I'm an adult. Very, very cool. Oh my God. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to set it up. I'm not going to take it in the basement right now. But this is my dehumidifier. This is what it's an Energy Star graded efficient one. Yeah, I'm not trying to have this. Wow. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera and stuff. That's what she said. Sorry, they had the plug built into the styrofoam. But this is a pretty nice looking dehumidifier. You know, maybe one day I'll have a nicer basement, a bigger basement, I should say. But for the time being, this will be more than efficient. Oh, and it rolls. It's got rollers. So, do you recommend a dehumidifier you like? Leave a comment below. Check out my other YouTube videos. I really appreciate everyone watching my videos. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm kind of lightheaded right now. Cash at me at London Hawthorne if you want to help pay for my dehumidifier. If you like cool t-shirts, go to onceuponat.net or riptapparel.com. Find your shirt of choice, and my username will become your coupon code if you use it. That's London Hawthorne at riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Thanks so much for watching my videos. I really, truly do appreciate each and every one of you. Hit the notification bell, the thumbs up button. Thanks so much for watching. I wish you the best.